Welcome to Borishal Cadet College. I am SM Atikur Raja, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Borishal Cadet College, Borishal. Boys, I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Due to Corona pandemic, I could not take your class in your classroom. I have to take your class virtually. Coronavirus is like the flu. Children very rarely get sick, but it feels like a cold. Be careful and tell your parents or teacher if you don't feel good. Tell an adult or your teacher if you don't feel good, you have a cough, your head hurts. For your safety, stay at home, wear mask, wash your hands. Boys, now I am going to take your higher mathematics class, first paper, for class 11. Today's topic, the straight line, from chapter 3E, learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to know about determine the equation of a straight line, determine the slope of a line. Straight line. A straight line is a line traced by a point traveling in a constant direction, that is a line of zero curvature. Linear equation involving x or y or both represents a straight line. For example, twice x plus 5y equal to 9, twice x minus thrice y equal to 0, x equal to 5, y equal to 3, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, etc. Slope or gradient of a line. Trigonometric tangent of the angle which any straight line makes with the positive direction of x-axis is called a slope or a gradient of the line. It is denoted by m. In the figure, the line AB makes angle theta, which is 0 degree to 180 degree. Here theta not equal to 90 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So the slope of AB is m equal to tan theta. Again, the line CD makes an angle phi with the positive direction of x-axis and an angle psi with the negative direction of x-axis. Here phi and psi. Here 0 degree less or equal phi less than 180 degree and phi not equal to 90 degree. So slope of CD is m prime equal to tan phi. That means 180 degree minus psi. This is 180 degree. That means 180 degree minus psi equal to minus tan psi. For example, if a line makes angle 45 degree with the positive direction of x-axis, then its slope is m equal to tan theta. That means tan 45 degree equal to 1. Now, boys, we solve some problem in this chapter. Question: find an equation of such straight line that passes through the origin and the point -3, 2, 2. Solution: let the equation of such straight line that passes through the origin and a point x1, y1 be y equal to y1 by x1 equal to x, from which we get y equal to 2 by -3x. Here x1 equal to -3, y1 equal to 2. Here x1 equal to -3, y1 equal to 2. From this equation, after calculation, we get twice x equal to minus thrice y. But after multiplication, we get this equation. If we change the side of this equation, then we get twice x plus thrice y equal to 0, which is our required equation. But now we solve another problem. Find the equation of a straight line passes through the points -1, 2, and 3, -5. Solution: equation of the straight line that passes through the points -1, 2, and 3, -5 is x plus 1 by -1 minus 3 equal to y minus 2 by 2 plus 3. But as you know, this equation follow the formula x minus x1. Here x minus x1, that means x plus 1. Y minus y1, that means y minus 2. Here x1 equal to -1, y1 equal to 2, x2 equal to 3, -5, that means y2. Here x1 minus x2, that means -1 minus 3, y1 minus y2, that means 2 plus 5. But from this, after calculation, we get 7x plus 7 equal to -4y plus 8. But minus 1 minus 3, that means -4. Here 2 plus 5, that means 7. 7 into x, that means 7x plus 7 equal to -4y plus 8. But if we change the side and after calculation, we get 7x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0, because here 7x remain unchanged. Here minus 4y, change the side and we get plus 4y, and 7 minus 8, that means -1. So boys, our required solution is 7x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Boys, now we solve another problem. Question is, find the coordinates of points that intersect the two axes by the line thrice x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Find the length of intercepts made by the line from two axes. Solution: here given equation thrice x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. From this we get thrice x plus 4y equal to 12. If we divide this equation by 12, then we get x by 4 plus y by 3 equal to 1, which is equation number 1. Whereas we can represent this in this graph, but here is a correction that 0, 3. So boys, here we can represent this equation in this way. Now boys, the line intersects the x and y axis at the point 4, 0, 4, 0 and b 0, 3, 0, 3. respectively. So length of the intersects made by the line from two axes AB, here AB, that means root over x minus x1 plus y minus y1 square. But following this formula, then we get 4 square plus root over 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square, that means 16, plus 3 square, that means 9. So summation of 16 and 9 is 25. So finally, boys, we get root over 25. So from this, the square root of 25 is 5. Whereas our required answer is 4, 0, 0, 3, and 5 unit. Now we solve another problem. Question is, find the coordinates of middle point of the portion of line x plus y equal to 7 equal to 0 intercepted between the axes if the portion represents any side of a square, then find the area of the square. But here given the equation x plus y plus 7 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. From this, boys, we can write x plus 2y equal to minus 7. If we divide this equation by minus 7, then we get x by minus 7 plus 2y by minus 7 equal to 1. But we can write this equation in the form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Then following this formula, we get x by minus 7 plus y by minus 7 by 2 equal to 1. We can represent this equation in the graph, that is the point a minus 7, 0. Here we can indicate it another point 0, 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2. But let line now intersects the x and y axis at the point 0, a minus 7, 0 and b 0, minus 7 by 2 respectively. The code was, here is a correction, this point is point B and this coordinate is minus 7 by 2. Now coordinates of the middle point of the line is minus 7 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus minus 7 by 2 by 2. That means minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 4. Again, the intercept portion AB is one of the sides of a square, then the area of the square AB square equal to minus 7 minus 0 square plus 0 minus minus 7 by 2 square. But after calculation, we get 49 plus 49 by 4 equal to 245 by 4. That means 61, 1 by 4 square unit, which is our required answer. Question. A straight line passes through the point 2, 5 and cuts off intercepts of equal length and of opposite sign from two axes. Find the equation of the straight line and find the coordinates of a point on the line whose coordinate is twice the abscissa. Solution. Since the intercepting units are equal but of opposite sign, let the equation of the straight line x by a plus y by minus a equal to 1. From this, after calculation, we get x minus y equal to a, which is equation number 1. Again, since the line now 1 passes through the point 2, 5, that means it satisfies this equation. So 2 minus 5 equal to a, that means a equal to minus 3. But we represent this equation in the graph in this form. Putting the value of into now 1, we get x minus y equal to minus 3. That as the value of a is minus 3, So boys, finally here we get y minus x equal to 3. It's the equation of the required locus. Again, at the point P, x1, y1 on the line, ordinate will be twice the abscissa, that is y1 equal to twice x1. Again, since the point x1 and y1 is on the line 1, then y1 minus x1 equal to 3. If we put the value y1, then we get twice x1 minus x1 equal to 3. So x1 equal to 3. If we put this value in this equation, then we get y1 equal to twice x1, that means 2 into 3, that means 6. So required equation is y minus x equal to 3 and the coordinates of the point 3, 6. Now boys, we solve another problem. A straight line passes through the point 3, 7 and cuts off intercepts of equal length and with opposite sign from two axes. Find the equation of the straight line. Solution. Let the equation of such line that cuts off intercept of equal length and with opposite sign from two axes. So boys, we can represent this in this form. So this equation follow x by a plus y by b equal to 1. But in this condition, here b equal to minus a. That means x by a plus y by minus a equal to 1. But here, after calculation, we get x minus y equal to a, which is equation number 1. Line 1 passes through the point 3, 7. That is 3 minus 7 equal to a. So the value of a equal to minus 4. Putting the value of a minus a in equation 1, then we get x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. It is the required equation. Homework. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis and passes through the point 5, minus 3. Find the equation of the straight line passes through the origin and whose slope is root 3. Boys, coronavirus has stopped our life. Follow these easy steps to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Disinfect surfaces around your home and work. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Cover your mouth when sneeze or cough. Thank you.